Welcome to the case study series by SkilledMBA. In this session, we explore the journey of Fusion Creations, a home-based baking venture in India founded by sisters Chaitali and Keena. What began as a passion during the pandemic has evolved into a full-time pursuit. But as the market grows more crowded, they must ask a critical question. How can small ventures like theirs stand out, scale up, and succeed, especially through digital marketing? The case outlines three key phases: the opportunity, rising demand for homemade baked goods during lockdowns; the challenge, post-pandemic, competition has surged among home bakers; the dilemma, is Fusion Creations' current digital marketing strategy enough? This case studies their struggle to clarify brand positioning, optimize their social media strategy, and develop a distinct digital identity in a saturated space. By the end of this case, learners will be able to analyze how small businesses can differentiate their brands in crowded local markets, design integrated marketing strategies using paid, owned, and earned media, leverage social media platforms to drive visibility, engagement, and sales, use content marketing to build trust, educate customers, and strengthen community. Fusion Creations was founded by two sisters with a lifelong passion for baking. They seized an opportunity during COVID-19 when demand for artisanal homemade cakes skyrocketed. Despite initial supply challenges, they found early success. However, the space soon became flooded with competitors, many leveraging social media. Fusion Creations now seeks to evolve from a personal venture into a sustainable business. This case highlights 5 strategic themes: brand differentiation, what sets you apart in a sea of home bakers; paid, owned, and earned media, the importance of using all three in balance; social media marketing, choosing the right platform and posting strategy; content marketing, telling your story through visuals, testimonials, and tutorials; competitive landscape, how to grow when collaboration and rivalry go hand in hand. Fusion Creations' internal and external dynamics are clear: strengths, unique flavors and customization, strong founder story, pandemic-era credibility, complementary founder skills; weaknesses, limited marketing budget, small operational scale, overdependence on personal contacts; opportunities, expanding digital reach, offering baking classes, building partnerships; threats, intense new competition, shifting customer tastes, algorithm changes on platforms; product, custom artisanal cakes with homemade charm; price, premium pricing for personalization and quality; place, home delivery and online orders via social platforms; promotion, word of mouth, social media marketing, and local influencers. Their biggest opportunity lies in refining their promotion strategy to stand out digitally and grow beyond their immediate network. Paid media, Instagram and Facebook ads, sponsored influencer content; owned media, their own social pages, blog, or website; email newsletters; earned media; customer reviews, word of mouth; organic influencer mentions. For Fusion Creations, a hybrid strategy is ideal, leveraging visibility, maintaining control, and gaining credibility. Their content must guide users through the full funnel: awareness, eye-catching food photography, hashtags, short-form videos; interest, behind-the-scenes content, customer reviews; conversion, clear ordering system, timely offers; loyalty, spotlights, referrals; loyalty incentives. Each funnel stage needs its own content strategy, tailored to consumer behavior and platform algorithms. Instagram, best for visual storytelling, reels, and stories; Facebook, good for local events, reviews, and community posts; WhatsApp Business, ideal for order tracking, reminders, and personal touch. Each platform has a purpose, and Fusion Creations must align their effort and content format with each platform's strengths. Fusion Creations should rotate between these 4 types of content: product showcases, tempting images and videos behind the scenes, ingredients, prep, daily routines, tutorials and tips, short, helpful baking ideas, customer stories, celebrations, photos, and feedback. This mix helps build trust, humanize the brand, and attract diverse customer segments. Strategy option: pros, cons, boost, paid ads, quick reach, requires sustained budget, focus on earned media, low cost, authentic, slower, and less predictable, elevate owned channels, full control, slower traction, hybrid marketing model, balanced and scalable resource coordination required, combine offline and online, builds local loyalty. Operationally intensive testing and iteration are key to finding the right media mix for growth. Market positioning: what truly makes a home baker memorable in a digital crowd? Media strategy: with limited funds, where should time and money go? Ads, content, or community? Platform prioritization: what platform delivers the most ROI for a baking brand? Content storytelling: how can Fusion Creations build trust before the first bite? Fusion Creations must prepare for growth. 60% of home bakers face sourcing issues. 45% report quality slips during expansion. 75% of revenue comes from returning customers. But with the right strategy, 3x revenue growth is possible. The founders must invest in operations, not just marketing, to scale sustainably. Digital strategy is essential even for the smallest businesses. Brand differentiation comes from storytelling, visuals, and experience. Platform-specific strategies and consistent content matter more than budget. Growth requires alignment of marketing, operations, and customer retention. The Fusion Creations case reveals how the right digital tools and the right mindset can help passionate entrepreneurs rise above the noise. Thank you for engaging with rising home bakers in India, leveraging online platforms for sales and marketing, presented as part of the case study series by SkilledMBA. This case shows that in today's digital economy, even homegrown brands can craft compelling customer journeys using the right blend of creativity, consistency, and channel strategy. As competition intensifies, the edge lies not in resources, but in clarity of purpose, voice, and value. We hope this case inspires you to think strategically about digital storytelling, growth marketing, and brand building in the age of platforms.